Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert watermark only third page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert watermark only third page. Firstly, go to the design menu. Then click watermark option and choose custom watermark. Then select the text watermark and write text on this box. Then change the color. Then check mark of the semi-transparent. Then click OK. Now we can see here we insert watermark all page but not third page. We want to insert third page. Go to the second page last and go to layout menu. Then click breaks drop down menu and choose continuous. Then go to the third page last and click breaks drop down menu, then choose continuous. Then go to the insert menu and click header option, then choose blank header. Then go to the third page and click link to previous. Then go back the second page and click the watermark option and delete it. Then go to the fourth page and click link to previous. Then delete the watermark. Then close the header and footer. Now we can see here we insert the watermark only third page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.